Kingdom is the answer. B option, United Kingdom. Second, the Election Commission of India is a or an independent body. Answer is A option, independent body. Third one, which article of the Constitution provides for an election commission? Answer is C option, Article 324 is the answer. Fourth one, which part of the Constitution of India says about the election commission? Answer is B option, Part 15. Fifth one, who accords recognition to various political parties as national or regional parties? Answer is B option, the Election Commission. Sixth one, assertion. Indian Constitution provides for an independent election commission. Reason, to ensure free and fair elections in the country. Answer is A option, both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Answer is A option is the right answer. Page number 252. Seventh one, Nota was introduced in the year 2014. Answer is C option, 2014. Eighth one, the term pressure groups originated in USA. Answer is A option, USA. Ninth, assertion. A large number of pressure groups exist in India. Reason, pressure groups are not developed in India to the same extent as in the USA. Answer is A option, both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the Election Commission of India is a body of dash members, 3 members. You may write THREE. Words illana numeral 3 members. Second, National Voters Day has been celebrated on January 25. Answer is January 25. Third one, in India, dash party system is followed. Answer is multi-party system. Fourth one, in 2017, there were 7 recognized national parties. Answer is 7. Fifth one, Narmada Bacho Andolan is a pressure group. Answer is pressure group. Moving to Roman number 3, match the following. First one, National Party. Match the following. First one, National Party. Answer is D option, 7. Second, Single Party System. Answer is C option, China. Third one, 2-party system. B option, USA. Fourth, pressure groups. Answer is A option, trade unions. Moving to Roman number 4, give short answers. First one, explain the electoral system in India. Page number 246. Turn to the page 246. Electoral system in India. The first paragraph full. The electoral system in India has been adapted. Adhalarந்து start panni 26 January 1950 varaikkum. Fourth Roman letter. First one answer. Second one, give the meaning of a political party. Page number 248. Political party. See, meaning of political party kida irukku and the paragraph full a political party is an organization formed by a group of people with a certain ideology and agenda to contest elections and hold power in the government. A political party has 3 components, a leader, active members and the followers. Fourth Roman letter, second one answer. Third one, distinguish between 2-party system and the multi-party system. Distinguish na indha mari tabular column potukonga. 2-party system, multi-party system. 248 la 2-party system and the topic la in the box 2-party system irukku illaya inge first point in potu 2 major parties exist. Second point வந்து example USA UK. Multi party system la more than 2 political parties nu first point எழுதிக்கோங்க. More than 2 political parties. Example second point India, Sri Lanka, France and Italy. Roman number 4th la third one answer. Then fourth one, what is a pressure group? Page number 249. வாட் இஸ் அ ப்ரெஷர் குரூப். ப்ரெஷர் குரூப் டாப்பிக்கில் செகண்ட் லைன்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அ ப்ரெஷர் குரூப் இஸ் அ குரூப் ஆஃப் பீப்புள், அதிலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு குரூப்ஸ் ஆர் வெஸ்டட் குரூப்ஸ் இந்த லாஸ்ட் லைனில் இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபோர்த் ரோம் லெட்டர், ஃபோர்த் ஒன் ஆன்சர். Then moving to Roman number 5, answer in detail. First one, discuss merits and demerits of direct elections. Page number 246. Direct electionsல merits இருக்கு இல்லையா, merits 3 points எழுதணும். demeritsல 5 points இருக்கும். 5 pointsல any 3 points எழுதிக்கோங்க. demeritsல மட்டும் any 3 points, merits 3 points எழுதிக்கோங்க. Roman number